Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Facebook is not working problem. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, what should you do? You just need to open your Play Store and then go to search bar and type Facebook. Just type Facebook. Now you need to check out your Facebook is update or not. There you can see my Facebook is not update. So you need to update your Facebook at first. So after update your Facebook, then let's back, and now what should you do? You just need to go on your phone settings. Now what should you do? You just need to find out apps or apps management option. So I can find here from apps. So open on it and now go on manage apps. Now go to search bar and type Facebook. So open, and at the bottom right side there have the option clear data. Select on it. Now you need to select clear cache, then OK. After doing that, let's back, and now you need to open your Facebook, and after doing that I hope your Facebook is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.